This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the hinge closely. Remove any lint or grit. This causes looseness. Use a small Phillips or Torx driver as needed and a plastic pick to lift trapped fibers. Once done, press the hinge closed and rotate the lid gently. You're checking resistance and alignment. Small adjustments now prevent bigger problems later. Make sure to keep screws nearby and avoid metal tools rubbing painted surfaces because scraping can worsen the fit. Now you'll focus on precise screw play and micro shims. Loosen each hinge screw just enough to allow repositioning, then red-eye tin in 1/8 turn increments while you test the lid. This evens pressure across the hinge. If the gap is uneven, insert a thin plastic shim or a small strip of tape where needed. That changes the lever geometry and increases friction. You'll repeat quick tests. This step refines the hinge's torque and prevents over-tightening that could strip threads. Finish by seating the parts with repeated cycles. Open and close the lid 20 times to let the new friction settle. You should feel a consistent, slightly resistive action. If not, check alignment and tighten or reposition shims. If you see cracks or stripped screw heads, stop. Why continue? A damaged hinge needs replacement. If the lid still feels loose after careful tweaks, consider a professional repair or replacement hinge, because forcing fixes can break the case or void warranties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.